Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a Discord account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your browser and go to discord.com. Once here, go to upper right and click on Login option. Once you are here, go ahead and click on this register button and a form will open up. On the registration page, enter your email address, enter your display name, choose a username, make sure to choose unique username that no one is using, then create a password. Once that's done, enter your date of birth. Make sure to use an email address you can access because Discord will send a verification message. After filling in your details, click Continue or Create an account. You may also be asked to complete a verification check to confirm you're a real person. Once completed, Discord will create your account and log you in. At the top, it will ask you to verify your email address. Now, open your email inbox and look for the verification message from Discord. Open it and click the verification link to confirm your email address. Verifying your email helps secure your account and unlocks full access to Discord features. And that's it. So that's basically how you can create a Discord account. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.